Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this video right now, chances are you are in the market for a new laptop, and you're probably feeling a little overwhelmed by the sheer number of options out there. Today, we are going completely in-depth on a machine that I believe fills a massive gap in the current laptop market. We are talking about the newly updated ASUS Vivobook 17. Specifically, we are looking at the F1704 VAP-ES77 configuration. Now, before we get completely lost in the specs, the benchmark numbers, and the fine details, I want to address something that I hear all the time from my viewers. For the last few years, the entire tech industry has been obsessed with making laptops smaller, thinner, and more compact. We see endless 13-inch and 14-inch Ultrabooks being pushed on consumers, and while those tiny laptops are great if you are traveling on an airplane every single week, they're honestly incredibly frustrating to use as your main, everyday work machine. Staring at a tiny screen for 8 hours a day is a one-way ticket to eye strain, and constantly toggling between different windows because you do not have the screen real estate to look at two things at once completely kills your productivity. That is exactly why the ASUS Vivobook 17 is so refreshing. It gives you a massive 17.3-inch Full HD display, making it a true desktop replacement that you can still comfortably fold up and move from your home office desk to your living room couch. If you are looking for a reliable daily driver that prioritizes screen space and snappy performance, you are going to want to stick around for this review. Also, as a quick reminder, I have placed a direct link to this exact ASUS Vivobook 17 model in the description box below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to check the most up-to-date pricing, look for any current Amazon discounts or coupons, and easily grab one for yourself. It also helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you these deep dive reviews, so thank you so much in advance. Let us kick things off by talking about the design, the overall build quality, and the physical footprint of this machine. When you unbox the Vivobook 17, the first thing you will notice is the stunning finish. ASUS calls this color cool silver, and it absolutely lives up to its name. It's a sleek, minimalist, and highly professional-looking silver that does an excellent job of hiding annoying fingerprint smudges. Whether you're bringing this into a corporate boardroom, using it in a college lecture hall, or just having it sit out on your kitchen island, it looks incredibly premium. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. This is a 17-inch laptop. Historically, 17-inch laptops were absolute behemoths. They were massive, heavy, clunky plastic bricks that you genuinely never wanted to carry anywhere. But ASUS has done a truly fantastic job of modernizing this form factor for the modern user. The exact dimensions come in at 15.72 inches in length, 10.01 inches in depth, and impressively, it's only 0.78 inches thick. Think about that for a second. Less than an inch thick for a laptop with this large a screen is an incredible engineering feat. While it's certainly not a laptop you would want to balance in one hand while walking around, it easily slips into a standard large backpack or a laptop messenger bag. The build feels remarkably sturdy, the hinge mechanism is smooth and allows for easy opening, and the keyboard deck has a solid, premium feel that does not aggressively flex under normal, heavy typing pressure. Moving on to the undisputed star of the show, that massive, beautiful display. As the name heavily implies, you are getting a sprawling 17.3-inch LED screen with a full HD resolution. Why should you care about having a 17.3-inch screen? It all comes down to user comfort and pure productivity. If you are a professional who constantly works with wide, sprawling Excel spreadsheets, if you are a student editing long research documents, or if you simply need to have 2 or 3 application windows open side by side, this screen size is an absolute game changer. You genuinely do not need to buy and connect an external desktop monitor to multitask efficiently. The laptop itself provides all the digital workspace you need. Furthermore, for personal use, whether you're streaming your favorite shows and movies on Netflix, going down a rabbit hole of YouTube videos, or just casually browsing the web and reading articles, the larger screen makes absolutely every single visual experience more immersive and enjoyable. The LED panel delivers crisp, legible text, brilliantly bright whites, and very solid color reproduction for your everyday viewing tasks. I also highly recommend this size for seniors or genuinely anyone with mild visual impairments who simply prefers their system text, application icons, and mouse cursor to be larger and much easier to read without having to sacrifice their overall screen real estate. But, as we all know, a massive, beautiful screen means absolutely nothing if the laptop itself lags, stutters, or freezes when you try to actually use it. Thankfully, under the hood, this specific configuration of the ASUS Vivobook 17 is an absolute powerhouse for everyday personal and professional computing. It is powered by the cutting-edge Intel Core 7 processor, specifically the 150U model. Let us break down what that technical jargon actually means for your daily user experience. This specific processor features 10 total processing cores and can intelligently boost its clock speed all the way up to a blistering 5.4 GHz when you're pushing the machine hard. In the real world, this translates to incredibly smooth, incredibly responsive performance. Whether you're running heavy financial software, managing multiple complex web applications, or if you're the type of person who leaves 20 different Google Chrome tabs open at the exact same time, this processor barely even breaks a sweat. ASUS has strategically paired this powerful Intel CPU with 16 GB of next-generation DDR5 RAM. I really want to emphasize that detail. DDR5 memory. The tech industry is currently transitioning away from the older DDR4 standard, and having DDR5 is a massive step up. It offers significantly higher memory bandwidth, which essentially means your laptop can process and route data much faster. This results in significantly snappier application launch times and a completely seamless, stutter-free multitasking experience. For a personal use machine, 16 GB of DDR5 is the absolute perfect sweet spot and ensures your laptop is effectively future-proofed for years to come, comfortably running the included Windows 11 Home operating system and any upcoming demanding software updates without ever bottlenecking your workflow. Speaking of storage and software, this model comes fully equipped with a massive 1 TB solid-state drive, commonly known as an SSD. If you are currently upgrading from an older laptop that still uses a spinning mechanical hard drive, or even if you're coming from a smaller 256 GB SSD, stepping all the way up to 1 TB of drive will feel incredibly liberating. 1 full terabyte gives you a colossal amount of local storage space. You can comfortably store years and years worth of high-resolution family photographs, massive 4K video files from your smartphone, heavy application suites, and all your important tax and work documents, without constantly getting those annoying storage full pop-ups, and without having to permanently tether yourself to an external hard drive. Plus, because it is an advanced SSD, your data read and write speeds are off the charts, and your boot times are practically instantaneous. You press the power button, and Windows 11 Home is completely loaded and ready to go in just a matter of seconds. Let us briefly touch on graphics and battery life. This Vivobook 17 utilizes integrated Intel graphics. Now, I want to be completely transparent and honest with you guys. This is not a dedicated, hardcore gaming laptop. If you are looking to play the absolute latest, graphically intense AAA video games at their maximum graphical settings, you will want to look elsewhere, perhaps at an ASUS ROG or TUF series gaming laptop. However, for its specifically intended uses, which include personal productivity, heavy media consumption, light to medium photo editing, and casual gaming, the integrated Intel graphics perform wonderfully. They utilize that speedy DDR5 memory to render high-definition video flawlessly and handle all your everyday visual tasks with absolutely zero lag or screen tearing. Powering this entire setup is a 50-watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Because a massive 17.3-inch bright display inherently draws a fair amount of electrical power, you can expect decent, completely usable battery life, but not necessarily record-breaking multi-day endurance. It is absolutely perfect for unplugging and moving from your home desk to the living room sofa for a few hours of focused work or watching a full movie. But if you are heading out to a local coffee shop or a library for an entire 8 to 10 hour workday, you will definitely want to make sure you bring the included power adapter along with you in your bag. So, when we put all of these pieces together, who is the 2026 ASUS Vivobook 17 actually built for? It is specifically designed for the modern professional working from home who genuinely does not want the annoying cable clutter of a completely separate desktop monitor. It is tailor-made for the dedicated student who desperately needs a large visual canvas for conducting deep research and writing long, complex essays, and it is absolutely perfect for the home user who wants a reliable, centralized family computer that handles the household budgeting, photo organization, and endless media streaming completely effortlessly. With its highly capable Intel Core 7 processor, its 16 gigabytes of blazing fast DDR5 RAM, and that incredibly spacious 1 terabyte SSD, it provides genuine desktop-level performance wrapped in a surprisingly slim, portable, and beautiful cool silver package. ASUS also backs this entire machine up with their standard 1-year warranty, which gives you excellent peace of mind regarding your overall investment. In conclusion, if you are someone who values massive screen size and incredibly snappy everyday performance above extreme ultra-lightweight portability, the ASUS Vivobook 17 is undeniably one of the absolute best value laptops on the market right now. It simply gives you the physical space to breathe visually, the processing power to multitask without limits, and the digital storage to keep absolutely everything you need right at your fingertips. If you are ready to massively upgrade your daily computing experience and treat your eyes to a bigger screen, please do not forget to check out the link in the description directly below this video. That Amazon link will take you straight to this exact F1704 VAP-ES77 model, so you can verify the current pricing, read through even more verified user reviews, and easily have it shipped safely and quickly right to your front door. If you found this incredibly detailed review helpful, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to reach more people who are looking for laptop buying advice. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my latest tech reviews, deep dives, and buying guides. Drop a comment down below if you have any lingering questions at all about the Vivobook 17, and I will do my absolute best to answer them for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today, and I will see you in the next one.